Our pets comfort us and give us companionship. However, owners are often unaware that their pets may be a reservoir of disease. The diseases that pets carry are called zoonotic diseases. In the UK, it is estimated that 12 million households own a pet. Therefore, it is important owners are knowledgeable about these diseases so they can keep themselves and their families free from disease. There are 5 zoonoses that will be discussed in this video: Campylobacteriosis, Salmonellosis, ringworm, cat scratch disease, and intestinal worms. Campylobacteriosis is considered to be the most common bacterial cause of human gastroenteritis worldwide. It is considered a normal bacterium in the intestines of many pets. It is passed through contaminated food, water, and contact with stools of infected animals or humans. The symptoms include abdominal pain, diarrhea, blood in stools, and a fever. Occasionally, it can cause complications such as arthritis and Guillain-Barré syndrome, which can cause paralysis. Salmonellosis is spread to people through the contamination of food types, such as eggs or meat, or if you come into contact with the stools of infected animals. Reptiles and amphibians carry salmonella. They carry the bacterium on their bodies, so it can be easily caught by humans. It is a very persistent bacteria, as it is not killed when frozen. Ringworm is caused by a fungus. It is passed through direct contact with infected animals. Guinea pigs are regularly affected. It causes hair loss, the skin appears red, itchy, cracks appear, and causes ring-shaped rashes. Cat scratch disease is caused by the bacteria Bartonella henselae. Cats can become infected through flea bites, fights with infected cats, or blood transfusions. The symptoms in people include infection or ulcer with a small raised bump at site of scratch and lymph node swelling. 40% of cats are infected with the bacteria at some point during their lifetime. The symptoms of intestinal worms include bloating, unexplained weight loss, fatigue, diarrhea, nausea or vomiting. The common types of worms are hookworm, whipworm and tapeworm. However, roundworm is the most common intestinal parasite found in pets. This table shows which type of pets can transmit which zoonotic disease or infection. By now you might be wondering how you can protect yourself. The key thing to know is to wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water after handling or touching your pets. This includes their cages, bedding, toys and food. It is also advised that you take your pet to see the vet if they show any signs of disease. Also, to keep up to date with routine vaccinations and flea and worm treatments, to be cautious around unfamiliar animals, to avoid bites and scratches, especially around cats, to change litter trays regularly, to be aware that pets shed Campylobacter, Salmonella as well as intestinal worms in their stools, and also to be mindful that certain dog or cat adoptions such as international pet adoption might not be suitable if you have a person of a weakened immune system, children or pregnant women living in the household. This is due to the increased risk that these animals might be carrying a disease.